Hey, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. I have great news. The folks at ZAGER Guitars were nice enough to provide me with an amazing ZAGER guitar package to give away this Christmas season in a random drawing. You don't even have to be a subscriber for a chance to win. All you have to do is watch this video, and after I show you the features of this very cool guitar package, I will tell you how to enter the drawing. So let's do this. This is the ZAGER ZAD20 Natural acoustic guitar with a solid spruce top and mahogany back and sides. This guitar comes in a ZAGER hard case with a built-in hygrometer. Let's tune it up and see how it plays. Now that we have the guitar all tuned up, let's take it for a spin. Let's start with some chords. Chords pretty easy. Nice tone. A little 12-bar blues. See how it picks. In order to enter the drawing for this amazing guitar package, all you have to do is click on the giveaway entry link in the description below this video. The drawing will end on November 15th, 2022, and the winner will be notified by ZAGER Guitars. Good luck! And thanks for watching Eric Blackman Guitar.